Okay, hi everybody. So my name is Elizabeth, and the name of my game is What's My Number. So for the materials, we're just gonna be needing a ruler, these blocks right here. You can see them. Yeah, you can. And a couple of papers with a figure drawn on it. It could either be a square, a rectangle, but I'll explain later why I drew it how it was. I also drew the figure on different colored paper, so then that way the students could pick from their favorite color. So we have purple, we have blue, we have peachy brown. It looks like a peachy brown, and green, and we have pink here. And again, this is for 4th, 5th, and even 3rd grade students, and it's going to be more about perimeter and area. So each student's going to have one of these, and then picking on their favorite color if they don't really care. So once they have one of these, the purpose of the figure is the students will have to use these little blocks. Alright, so I'm going to go. We have 2, and you have these bigger ones. See, so 2 of these equals 1 of that. So 1, 2. And with these, generally, these are for younger children, and they actually just build. They could build with kind of like Legos in a way. And so they have more of these, just like, I don't know, just build like little figures. I don't know, I just noticed there's an eye there. Something like that. So with these, the students will be like, blocks, maybe there. Anyway, so with these, after each child gets one of the figures, they will have to fill in the whole space using these. So they could do this. So they could, let's see. So they could fill this up, and then have a green one here, something like that. And I purposely drew this figure because on top here, the students could have either one whole block, or you can see one whole block, or 2 of these. So they could fill up the first one. There you go, 2 of those. And once they're done filling in their space, they could actually measure it with the ruler. So they're gonna just go around each side again. Hence, what's my game, or what's my number of each side. And then once they're through finding the length in either centimeters and inches, they can add up the total, and that would be the perimeter. We could do that, and or you could, instead of using the ruler, you could use the Legos. Or I call them Legos, they're not really Legos, but they have 1, 2, 3, 4 pegs, and so the kids will be like, how many pegs are there? So this side will have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6 pegs. So they'll write 6 on here on the side, and then they'll do the same for each one around, and at the end they'll add the number of pegs. That would be kind of like area in a certain way. And to modify it more, that would be more for 3rd and 4th grade level. And to modify it to a 5th grade level, the students would actually have a blank sheet of paper, and they will just blank, and then the teacher, instructor, or individual will be like, okay guys, what can you build with these? And so the students will be just kids are very creative, so they will have they'll have the different shapes going this way, and probably you have going this way or this way, and they'll just draw kind of like a figure, and then even build on top. They'll even build on top and stuff. So when they're done building, at the end they're gonna take their pencil, and just draw around the figure, just around. And then, you know, they'll take their blocks off. And then the 5th grade students can actually use a ruler and measure it in both inches and centimeters. And they'll see a difference. You know, centimeters are smaller than inches. And so then, you know, they'll write the number on the side and add it all up, and then that'll be the perimeter. But again, that was for 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, and it targets more perimeter area. So thank you for watching, and I'll post my second game in a different video.